Hey guys, how are we doing? I'm back coming at you with the March Yes Oh Yes subscription unbagging here. I've already cut it open because it was kind of a bitch. So anyway, Yes Oh Yes is a monthly subscription, beauty subscription. It runs $14.99 a month plus shipping and handling, which runs you right around $18 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products in here. I wouldn't say they're high-end like BoxyCharm, but there are definitely good products in here, and there still is definitely a value. It's just not as high of a value as like BoxyCharm or Ipsy Plus. But it's getting better every month, I would say. They have their ups and downs just like every other subscription bag, box, whatever it is. But anyways, if you're interested after you watch this video, click the like button, leave me a comment, and click the link below so that you can go ahead and sign up and get yours. And I don't believe there's a waiting list, so that's always good. I have some things to do tonight, so I have my base face on, but we're going to see what we can use out of this month's bag and get this face done. So let's get to it, y'all. I'm just going to pull it all out so we don't have to crinkle. Okay. There we are. This month's theme is Girl Power. So there we are. It's March 2019. And it says this month our monthly savings are 82% off retail. This is what your little card looks like. And this is what we have in our bag here. So the first thing I am drawn to, because it's big, is this IBY Cheek to Cheek blush palette. Perfect, because I do not have blush on today. I'm not sure, this doesn't have a cruelty-free logo on it. It is paraben-free, phthalate, sulfate, and talc-free. Ooh, super cute. This is like a faux leather. Oh, it is cruelty-free. It says right there, it has the bunny. I wonder why that wasn't on the box. Seems like a weird marketing thing. So it looks like this. Let's open. Oh, there goes the plastic. Let's go ahead and cover. It's got 2 mirrors on here. And then we have 2 shades there. They're called Foxtrot, which is this more kind of a tan nude shade. And then West Coast Swing right here, which is what I think. Let's go for the darker one. Let's use the West Coast Swing. I'm going to use my Moda Pro blush brush here. Don't mind her, she's dirty. I'll use her. Okay. We're going to go for the West Coast Swing. Okay, so we picked up a lot of product, and there's a little bit of kickback in there. We're gonna... I do really like this palette. It's like faux leather. Just gonna tap. Okay. Whew, it looks really crazy there on the monitor, but in person, it doesn't appear to be. I would say a little bit goes a long way. It does look a bit crazy in my lighting, but real life isn't too much. It might be a little bit heavy, so we're gonna take a clean powder brush and just blend the shit out of this. So note to self, a little bit goes a very long way with that. But overall, I think I like it. I do. What do you think about this hair today? What do you think? It's obviously a wig. I don't know. I don't know what I think. I'm considering going back to dark hair. We shall see. Anyway, moving on. The next thing we have here. Let's see. Okay. We're going to go with this Mirabella Eye. What is this? Semi-Sweet Eye Crayon. I don't use eye crayons, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Looks like this. And it is a dark brown. I don't think I want to use this, y'all, but I will swatch it for you. Yeah, it's dark brown, obviously. And it's kind of crumbly, honestly. So I don't know how. Okay, well, just with the finger, it actually blends out okay. I'm not a big eye crayon person, so we'll see if we can play with that at a later date, okay? Not bad. Mirabella is generally pretty expensive. I don't honestly know why. I haven't seen anything crazy from them that warrants the higher price tag, but you know, okay. So next we have, and my desk is so dirty, it's a Dose Ultra Precision Eyeliner in black. It's supposed to be waterproof. Looks like this. And it has just a standard sharpener tip. And it actually glides on really smooth and is pretty pigmented and matte. We will use this when we figure out what we're doing with our eyes. Then we have a Bella Terra Mineral Cosmetics Mascara in pitch black. This is also cruelty free. Look, she's upside down. I can read. Okay, let's take this out of here. I don't know really much about Bella Terra. Are they a division of Bella Pierre? I don't really know. Looks like a standard mascara tube. And it has a giant fluffy brush, which is fantastic because those are the kind that I like the best. The last thing that came in this month's box is a Moira Lush Matte Cream Liquid Lipstick. This is also cruelty free and it's in color Butter Cake. So let's take this out of here. Got some lip scrub on my lips right now. We're gonna, let's see. Ooh. It's a very whipped, creamy consistency and a pretty nude color. So I like this stuff. My favorite by far would be the cheek palette and this Dose eye pencil. I love a good creamy black liner for my waterline. I am going to go off camera, figure out something to do with my eyes, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back. Here's the look I came up with. Actually, the mascara isn't too bad. The black eyeliner, it kind of disappointed me. As well as it's swatched, I actually had to really work with it in my waterline to get it to perform the way I expected it to after the swatch. So though it's okay, it's not as kind of creamy as I expected it to be. So it was a bit disappointing. As far as the eyes, I just pulled together a few other palettes that had come previously in the Yes Oh Yes boxes. This is a City Limits palette by IBY as well. And this is a Beauty Creations Cali Set palette. They're both kind of cool toned pinks and such. So that's kind of what I use to create this kind of pinky mauve sort of almost kind of neutral look. Anyways, that's the look that I came up with. The thing that I do like about the Yes Oh Yes subscription is, yeah, it's not like Tarte and Benefit and things like that, things that you'd walk into Ulta or Sephora and find. It's brands that I never would have known about, like Moira. Oh, by the way, that's what I have on my lips today. The most disappointing thing in the box, I think. It is a powder consistency, much like the NYX Powder Puff Lippies, when I thought it was like a liquid lip, but I don't know, it feels really dry to me, to be honest. And the color, it's okay. It doesn't like, it does nothing for me, honestly. Like, I'm meh. But it's the least exciting thing about this box. Bag, subscription, whatever. It's the least exciting thing we got this month. I think the most exciting thing, I'm still like, this cheek palette, y'all. I'm loving it. Like, I really do love it. I don't know how much this retails for. IBY isn't generally super expensive. It's maybe 10 or 15 bucks. And then a good black eyeliner. This mascara is okay. Like, it's good. It's not clumpy. It actually did a good job lengthening. It's not super volumizing, but it's not clumpy and it's not flaky. It built up really well, so I'm not mad at it. Anyways, that's what came in our box this month. Let me know if you got the box, if you're thinking about getting the box. If not, let me know what you think about dark hair. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm thinking about going back dark. I've been light for like 2 years now, so I don't know. Let me know what you think. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the like, leave me a comment, and I will see you next week.